Transform your documents from ordinary to outstanding with these expert tips for creating professional, high-quality PDFs. First impressions matter for stunning visuals. Ensure your images are saved at a high resolution, typically 300 dpi, and use lossless compression formats like TIFF or PNG whenever possible to preserve intricate details and vibrant colors. Next, let's talk typography to guarantee your chosen fonts display correctly on any device. Always embed them within your PDF. This prevents the recipient's system from substituting fonts, maintaining your intended layout and professional look. Balancing quality and file size is crucial when exporting your PDF. Explore compression settings. Most software offers options to reduce file size by selectively optimizing images and removing embedded objects. Aim for a balance that keeps your file manageable without significantly degrading visual quality. Finally, consider accessibility. Tagging your document and providing alternative text for images ensures your PDF can be understood by screen readers and assistive technologies. This broadens your audience and demonstrates thoughtful design. By implementing these best practices, a circumflex euros, high-resolution images, embedded fonts, smart compression, and accessibility features, a circumflex euros, you'll create PDF documents that are not only visually appealing, but also incredibly user-friendly and professional in every sense.